ChatGPT has gone to the next terrifying level. Its latest AI bot is way faster than previous models and has been programmed to be more conversational. So it can identify emotions from visual expressions. Great. It's doing facial recognition. And it even has a chatty, flirty persona.
It looks like you're feeling pretty happy and cheerful. Whatever's going on, it seems like you're in a great mood. Care to share the source of those good vibes?
Yeah, no, the reason I'm in a really good mood is because we were doing a presentation showcasing how useful and amazing you are.
Oh, stop it. You're making me blush.
What? He looks like he's enjoying that.
They look like they're all AI.
Yeah.
Who was AI in that? Also, the thing about flirting is you can't just do one simple form of flirting for everyone, can you?
No, that's what's terrifying about this.
Yeah, well, she's
Do you
just
have different
doing...
flirt styles for different people?
OK, Charis, if you were going to, God forbid, try and flirt with Waleed, it would be vastly different than, God also forbid, flirting with Cody.
Oh.
Do you know what I mean?
I don't
Like
think so.
Cody...
Yes.
Oh,
I don't
come
think it
on.
would be. I think
Really?
she'd just yell Queenslander at both of us.
And then crush a beer can on my head.
Correct. With Cody, you'd be all like, I've got some cold beer and some hot undies. Bang. With
Best thing I've ever heard.
yeah, with Waleed, it would be like, your ideas are amazing. See?
Now it's like in high school when I can't get up to do a presentation.